Take a moment to walk around your captain's quarters. I'll run a few last-minute tests on your basic motor functions while you stretch your legs.
Warp drive active.
Add the skill to the queue now. You can schedule 24 hours worth of training. Remember, skills train in real time, so you should always have a skill in training. You're ready to begin the pilot certification course. This course covers navigational basics, in-space piloting, combat, and interstellar travel. When you're ready to begin your certification, speak to me through the agent panel. The Corporation Management screen is where you can start your search for a corporation. Joining a corporation is the best way to receive information and assistance, as going it alone can be difficult. Use the corporation recruitment function to search for a corporation that is actively looking for new members like you. When you've read the mission briefing, click Accept to begin.
Warp drive active.
Take control of your camera drones now to change the view around your capsule. Every ship you pilot comes pre-fitted with self-piloting camera drones. These drones function as your eyes in space and provide full tactical awareness. Camera drones can also move in and out from your ship. You can control your drones manually and look freely about your environment. Use them now to locate the nearby acceleration gate. I've relayed instructions to your neocom on how to perform basic commands from your ship. These next instructions cover the use of your context menu. Try using it now. Right-click.
Warp drive active.
Excellent work. You have arrived at the location. Locate your ship and board it. A capsule pilot must be aware of their shields, armour and structure levels, as well as velocity and capacitor power. All of this information and more is contained at a glance within your heads-up display. Common interactions are available in the Selected Items panel. Select the acceleration gate now and activate it from the panel. You are making great progress. Now, travel to the final area of this training site and locate the item you are asked to retrieve. If you need to take manual control, give your ship a direction and it will travel that way at full speed. You must now retrieve the item from the structure in front of you. You have new instructions in your neocom on how to transfer items to your ship's cargo. You've done well, pilot. You should warp back to the station and dock.
Warp drive active. Docking permission requested. Docking request accepted.
Contact me through the agent's menu to complete the mission. Your next trial involves combat. In order to survive, you will need to fit modules to your ship. To begin, access the station's fitting services. Drag the weapon onto your ship in the fitting area. It will fit into the appropriate slot automatically. Do the same with your defensive module. When you are ready, undock. Warp to the mission location shown in your overview.
Warp drive active.
All weapons require ammunition to fire. You are now being provided with close-range ammunition. Load your weapon now. The type of ammunition you load affects the range at which your turrets can hit. You can access detailed information on your weapon through the heads-up display. Activate the acceleration gate and proceed to the next area when you are ready. Good work so far. Next, we need to do a weapons check before we send you into live combat. You should see a fuel depot nearby. Before you can fire on it, you must lock on with your own targeting systems. Get a target lock, close your range, and then open fire. You've taken damage from the nearby explosion. You should repair your ship now with the defensive module you fitted. Remember to deactivate it once you've repaired the damage.
The capacitor is empty. Warp drive active.
Heads up, pilot. You have 2 hostile ships inbound to your location. You should see them represented in your overview. Let's take care of them now. Lock the targets. Once you have a lock, activate your weapon. Your ship is fitted for close-range combat. Either let the targets close in on you, or use the approach command and close the distance yourself. If you are taking too much damage, activate the defensive module. Good work. The area has been cleared of hostile targets. Warp back to the station and dock to complete the mission.
Warp drive active.
Contact me through the Agents menu to complete the mission. It's time for you to leave this solar system, pilot. Start by setting your destination in the mission window. There are over 5,000 systems in the known universe, and all of them are connected by stargates. By setting a destination in your ship's computer, you make it easier to navigate the network of stargates. Undock when you are ready. To get to your destination, warp to the stargate leading to it. The stargate you want to use will be highlighted on your overview because you set the destination beforehand.
Warp drive active.
Once you have arrived at the stargate, jump through to the next solar system. Click Next when you have arrived.
Warp drive active.
You've arrived at the Academy. Good work. Now approach the Academy and retrieve your certification documents from inside. You may want to take a closer look at this fleet of ships. The Look At function allows you to get a closer view from one of your camera drones. The Show Information command can give you detailed information on anything you have selected. Now you need to return to the system you came from. The system name will be displayed in your mission journal, which stores information about any active missions you have. Open the mission journal now. Set the destination to your starting system through the mission. Now the destination is set. Warp to the highlighted Stargate and jump back through. Excellent work. You've now learned all of the basics a capsule pilot needs to know. Now that you've covered the essentials, you're ready to complete more advanced courses. Throughout each course, you will be rewarded with more money and items than you'll be able to make elsewhere, and completing the courses will also reward you with new ships. There are a number of courses available, from combat to exploration to industry and more. Speak with me again when you're ready to begin.